Hello there, hi. Hello, it's Julie here. I'm over at the studio in Chesham and I thought I would just hop on and do a quick live to show you what we've been doing in today's R&F workshop. So we had two ladies in today. So before I cleared it all away, I decided to just show you what we've been up to because it could be quite interesting. So I'm going to turn this around and show you what we've been doing. So we're making all sorts of chaos and mess here. We have been So for those of you that know what I do, we paint with beeswax. So we've been using the R&F range of waxes today, and but basically, if you've never seen painting with beeswax before, it's beautiful. There's loads of things you can do with it. You can colour it yourself. You can start with pre-coloured blocks, but basically once it's heated and molten, you end up with runny wax as you would any kind of watercolour paint or any kind of paint. And it's fluid, and then as that cools it solidifies and sets. So we have been mixing up all our different colours. So basically, I don't know how well this will work, doing a live talking and then recording at the same time, but you paint. This is just a test piece of card that we've got here. So you take your hot wax, paint it on where you want it to go. And you build up in layers basically. So we've got all sorts of colours happening, and you just start building up in layers, and then you call fusing. You get a heat gun and you bond one layer to another. But anyway, it's beautiful stuff to work with. So I just thought I'll show you a bit of the setup. So I've got a big hot plate here. All sorts of, there's loads of tools you can use. There's so many interesting things. We've been using pigment sticks. We've been working with images. We've been burnishing images on. So yeah, it's been a real creative day. It's been absolutely fantastic. Hot air guns we've had out. So this is what you use to fuse your work with. So we've had those. Got my this is the range of waxes that I'm working with. R&F. They're brilliant, really good quality, lovely stuff to work with. So we had our sort of station over here with our wax medium in to get us kicked off, and another heat gun. So yeah, it's been great. It's been absolutely lovely. And then the other thing we've been doing is we've been using shellac and using that to create these really quite cool effects. So you can get these absolutely beautiful finishes with shellac. So we've been doing that as well. So let me work out how to turn this around. So there we go. I just thought I would do just a real quick live just to show you what we've been up to today, and hope you might find that interesting. If you want to know anything more about workshops, I'm hoping to get, or just coming to see a bit more yourself, I'm hoping to secure a few dates where I can do maybe 2 or 3 days back to back, and then have a bit of an open day or something. But I'm just sorting that out with my studio partner to see if we can put something in the diary. So yeah, keep your eyes peeled and I will let you know when that comes up. But yeah, if you want anything, any interest, any questions, just feel free to get in touch. Take care. Bye.